Hi, I'm Hattie. I'm a VTuber who makes art and streaming assets. Today I'm going to show you how to import a Live2D item into Vtubestudio. Here is my egg. It has a non-animated PNG type for drag and drop, or a slightly wiggly version made in Live2D. The drag and drop is easy. You'll just import the image into Vtubestudio's items and click the center of your model's chin. This will center it. For Live2D items, it's a little bit more complicated, but don't worry, this is only going to take a minute. Open Steam, click your library, right-click Vtubestudio, click Manage, browse local files, Vtubestudio data, streaming assets, and there you can import your Live2D asset into the Live2D models. If you have a PNG item, you can just skip all that and import it into the items folder. If this is confusing, don't worry, just look in the comments. It's just easier to read sometimes. Continuing on, import your Live2D item into the Live2D model folder. Once there, load it up as a model. Here, you'll usually get a notification saying that you can auto-copy the setup, or you can copy it from another model. Just click Auto, and this will copy variables from Live2D over into Vtubestudio, and it takes no effort from you. Once you've finished doing that, click the green star icon. Load current model as Live2D item. Once it's there, you can adjust the X and Y range. X is left and right, Y is up and down. My model has a small range, so I'd move it a little closer to the number 0.9. If you have a mouth that's further away, you'll adjust it accordingly to maybe even 1.1 or over. You can do the same for your Y number. This takes time to learn and do for your model, but it's definitely worth it in my opinion. Once you learn your model's best range, you can remember it for other items that you want to import in the future. So click Save. This is where we can change the lip color. Click Yes to multiply in screen, and then turn on the lip button to change your lip color accordingly. Adjust it to where you think your character's skin color is. This took me a while to find the color I liked best, so just take your time. You can also make silly colors. Once you're done, load up your model and attach it to your chin. Use the scroll wheel to adjust the size, hold Ctrl to change its angle. It's okay if it looks silly at first, just keep adjusting. Sometimes you need to load it up, change the settings again, and do it again. Remember, it's okay if it looks silly. You have an egg in your mouth, you silly Billy. I hope this helps. If you're still struggling, check out the pinned comment below the video. I hope it helps too. Okay, bye!